And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today I'm here with another video of, well, you must have seen the title, it's not a surprise. Well, we are going to do part 2 data types. So we have done the data types and the numeric data types. So today we are going to do booleans data type, boolean data type, char data type and string data type. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! I was just playing with my puppet. Very satisfying. Da, 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 da. Are you able to hear that? Oh, very satisfying. But we need to leave this and get started. Let me just finish this. Wait. Woo. I love how that pop sound comes. Guys, you must all have Poppet, right? So you write in the comments which one do you have and which one you don't have and which one do you want. So, do you want this one? I don't think so. Nobody would want this one. But I like it. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah. Go chum. Okay. C++ Boolean data types. Boolean type. A Boolean data type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the value true or false. When the value is returned, true is equals to 1 and false is equals to 0. Did you understand? Now let me tell you. So it's saying that there's a Boolean data type. And if we want to use the boolean data type, we have to declare it with the bool keyword. And it's saying the boolean data type size, remember, it was only 1 bit because boolean data type only has two values. Rather it would get true or it would get false. And you would think when the output has come that, interesting, why has it got 1, why has it got 0? It's because in C++, true is equals to 1. So whenever you see 1 in your screen and you have used boolean, that means true. And whenever you have seen 0 on your screen and you're using boolean in your code, that means it's false. Boolean values are mostly used for conditional testing, which you will learn more about in the later chapter. Okay. Ooh, Boolean was quite small. Now character. Now there is another character data type. Now what does a character data type do? It has only single character like B. It can store like letters, numbers, but it has only like a single character, only one character. And it is surrounded with single quotes, not with double quotes. Strings are surrounded with double quotes. Sorry. So let's see. Char migrate is equals to B. So here we are using the character data type. We're giving the name of a variable which we are wanting migrate and giving one character and B. No, let me give here instead of B, C, because I am in the grade C, so C would suit me more. Okay, so it will get C because um, character data type is like with only one character in it. Now, alternatively, you can use I don't know what is it, values to display certain character. Whatever it's saying, if you are saying cat A, so you're giving the data type cat and saying A is equals to 65, and in that line only B is equals to 66, and in that line only C is equal to 67. So you know, guys, the smaller the code, the less the code, the better you are, right? So you would use this more. Tip: a list of all ASCII values can be found in our ASCII table reference. Let me just go on Google and see what is the ASCII full form. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. Now is our last and the most best, last but not the least, the string data type. This is my favorite data type. Okay. So string data type. String types. The string type is used to store a sequence of character text. This is not a built-in type, but it behaves like one. It is most basic usage. String values must be surrounded with double quotes. Oh, I can see on your face. I can see that you didn't understand anything. What is it written? So I'm here to tell you. So it's saying that a string is a data type, and in which you can store like multiple letters, like text, right? It's saying that this is not. It is string data type is not a built-in type, but it's saying that string data type is not a built-in type, but it behaves like one in its most basic usage. Okay, understood? Strings values must be surrounded by double quotes. Char values must be surrounded with single quotes, and string values must be surrounded with double quotes. Okay? So we are giving the data type name string, making a variable and giving it a name, and we are giving the value and then printing the variable. So it would get hello, because if you print the variable, so you'll get the value. To use the string, you must include an additional header file in the source code, the string library. It's saying if you want to use string, you have to use that there's a string library, and if you want to use a string, then you will have to give the string library. Now how will you give the string library? After this statement you will give include string over here. Okay, include string, so it means include the library, string library. You will learn sorry. So it's saying you will learn more about strings in our C++ strings chapter. Guys, I'll just open it from the history. I thought I would have to open it once again. So let's just do the exercises we had already done, just to see that we are fully confirmed, we fully know. Add the correct data type for the following variables. My num 9. So this must be int. Now I'll tell you how this is int, because it is not surrounded with any brackets. First of all, with any quotes. Then it does not have any point. So it is an int. Now this is the double. This is the double what you say data type. Now I'll tell you how I got to know that this is double. This is my secret. Don't tell it to anybody. And if your parents are looking at this video now, then go a bit side and don't show this part. Okay. So I got to know that this is double of float because of the variable name. Because float also has decimal points and double also had, and we didn't have lot big one, so that we know that it is a float or it could be a double. So I just got to know from double. Now quick, go on your seat and show your parents. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now there is my letter A. So my letter A. So let's see, it's surrounded with single bracket and it has only a single character. So this is car. You got it correct. Now my bool. So false. Let's remember which data type has the value true or false. Boolean, you got me right. And last but not the least is the string, because it is surrounded with double brackets and it has a multiple character like text. So this is string. Now create two Boolean variables named yay and nay and add appropriate values to them. So we know that we'll give here a Boolean because it has said that make two Boolean variables, and it has given us the names also. So let's just quickly give here yay and nay. Now, but it has not given us the value. So let's figure out how we know that over in yay variable, will it be the value false or true? See, let's discover the variable name. It's yay. Now yay means like yay, it's so good, yay. That's like oh yes, and like true, right, true. So here is the value true. And the second is nay, which means no, nay, which means false. So here is false. Last exercise. Let's just top it with a cherry on top. So let's see. Create a greeting variable and display the value of it. So we know that we need to create a greeting variable. But let's see. Let's figure out first the data type. So okay, so this is surrounded by double quotes and it has text, a lot of text. So this is no, it's not car. Yes, it is string, and it has given us that give the variable name greeting. Now we will give here, and it says then display the value of it. I told you before also now, if you want the value of the greeting variable, give that variable then in the cout give the variable name. So here is greeting. Yes, we have done this, guys. Wasn't it fun learning data types? I had a lot of fun. Guys, I really hope you liked the video. before I end my video, I just want to feel the satisfaction. See, in my puppet, like there is a bit hard side in which from where there's not a lot of sound, and there's a nice side from which if you pop, then it's a lot of noise. So I'll tell you my trick of discovering that which is the nice side and which is the hard side. If you see closely, then this side is a bit rough kind of. But if I just pop it a bit, let me just pop that side quickly. I'm not that fast enough at least. Okay, so here if you see, it's putting the lighting on. It's a bit shiny, this yellow part. See, it's quite shiny, right? Shiny. So then I know how sound it comes like. Listen to this. I'll give my earphone close. Like wow, see? Like see? So and did you see my rainbow puppet as well? No. Then just for relaxing and if you want to go out of stress, then see my video or the rainbow short asthma puppet asthma. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and I will see you all next time. Good. Bye. Damn. Stay safe. Bye bye bye.